Shut down a computer with just one key. I'm not using the mouse to shut down this computer. I'm only using the keyboard. Keyboard. One key. Just one key. Press a single key. The computer immediately shuts down. Follow these steps. On Windows 11, create a new shortcut. New. Shortcut. Enter the following code. Shutdown. Eggs. S. T. 0. Shutdown ST0. Next. Finish. This is a shortcut to quickly shut down your computer. Properties. Next, I assign a key to this shortcut. Shortcut key. I assign the shortcut key to F10. Done. Above is how to shut down a computer using just one key. Good luck.